Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to connect your Namecheap domain to Wix? In this video, we will guide you throughout the process to seamlessly integrate your domain with your Wix website, making your site more accessible. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to go ahead and open your Wix website. So go to wix.com, log into your account, and you will be able to join your site. Very simple. After that, we need to go to the dashboard of our specific site that we wanted to be connected to our domain on Namecheap. So here I have several sites, so let me just go to one of them. For example, this one, I'm going to click on select and edit. And once I have done that, I will be taken to the dashboard. Now the second thing that will be available for me in the setup business tasks that I have first when I create my account or my website, the second thing is gonna be connecting a custom domain. So make this recommended domain yours or search for an available one. Now connecting a domain in Wix, as you might notice right here, let me show you. So as you might notice, it can be for free if you got the premium version. So here you get like a free domain. For example, with this light one, it will allow you to have one domain for free as a gift, and you might use it for your websites for the whole year, and after that you should start paying for this domain. Now for us, we already have one, so what I'm gonna do is to basically go ahead and add the specific domain that I have. Now the domain name that we are going to have and use is basically from Namecheap. So for those who doesn't have a domain in Namecheap, simply go to namecheap.com, make sure to join their website and go ahead and click on domains. Click on the first option, which is domain Namecheap name search, and right there you will find the search area where you can literally search for the required domain name that you want. For example, I want to search for something that says Wix Namecheap, and here we go. Now after I have written that, what I've got is those several variations of websites. Let's start by taking a look at the prices and how to buy them and what kind of thing that we would go for. Now this website, which is basically wixnamecheap.com, is gonna be 8.98 per year, and basically it can be 5 for the first year with the Newcom code, which is Newcom 598. It will give us a promotion so we can get the actual domain for only $6. So there is a $3 here, the reduction, which is pretty good. Also there is variations here, so let's go ahead and take a look at them. So we have wixcheap.com, .org, .pod, .net, and .ai. Now the most global one and the most common one that people go for is .com, but nowadays, since AI has been a trend and basically everyone is going for AI and making AIs, the AI domain name is basically pretty much expensive and more expensive than the other websites, unless it was something like incorporation. That means someone else has been taking it, and one per customer. So as you can see here, there is a lot of people that are basically already having, for example, let's say that you want to buy google.com. Well, if you search for google.com, well, you will not be able to buy it or to even like think about getting it, because you know google.com is already a company name. It is bought by everyone. They have taken like every single website from everyone, like any single website that starts with Google, they are the first one to get it and to buy it. So it is impossible for you to get it unless you give them like an amazing offer, which no one can actually give them. That offers it is a very expensive company. So getting there, like getting this domain name is like buying the company itself. So it's pretty impossible to get it. So sometimes in the web you will find some kind of domain names that you are looking for, but they are taken by other people. Well, in that case, you could make an auction and get them for a higher price than it would usually take for you to get another domain with the same with the same .com or .net or something like that. So let's go ahead and go to dashboard. Let's say that you have bought the domain and now you want to connect it. So let's go first here. I'm going to copy my domain, paste it here, and click on let's go. And now what I'm gonna do is to wait for it to load, as you saw. And here, as you can see, what domain you want to connect to: store, here, .com. Here we go. Yes, on this domain. And as you can see, I have to upgrade my site to a premium plan so I can connect a domain. So it works both ways. So if I want any way to actually connect a domain, I will have to pay for a premium plan, which means there is no need to go for Namecheap as a domain name unless there was like a domain that I have bought years ago or like days ago before I knew about this information that I have given you right now, which is you will always be like, you will have to buy like a domain name through Wix, or you have to buy a premium plan through Wix, and this premium plan already has an integrated free domain for 1 year. So why would you go for Namecheap and get that domain for like another $5 or another $7 while you can get the light version that will allow you to add a custom domain and will allow you to have one free domain for 1 year? So it is a good trade. You can get this domain, at the same time you can have a premium plan, at the same time you will add a custom and free domain right through Wix, so you don't have to keep switching, and even the connection will be much more easier. Now let's say for example you have the premium plan and you want to connect them. There is few things that you will have to go through. After you say that this website is yours, here instead of upgrade your plan, they will give you a couple of informations. These informations are gonna be as so: a record, CNAME record. These two informations are pretty crucial. You go to your website or your domain on Namecheap, click on manage, and through this page go to advanced DNS. Make sure to click on it, and here you have to remove every single DNS that you have, like that, remove, and start by adding new records. So paste here a record and put the information that was given to you by Wix, and put also the CNAME record. And after that, save, wait 5 minutes at least, and refresh the web page of your website on Wix, and you will find your domain connected. So that was it guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.